Unlock weight loss success with walnuts, the perfect superfood for women. Walnuts are the ultimate superfood for women when it comes to weight loss. Walnuts are packed with antioxidants and essential nutrients, making them an excellent addition to any diet. Walnuts can boost metabolism, control cravings, and promote overall wellness when incorporated into your daily routine. Here's your perfect superfood to help you lose weight. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to receive important notifications, as well as likes and comments, which will help my videos grow. 1. Nutrient-rich powerhouse. Nutrient-rich walnuts support weight loss and overall health. Protein, fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals are all found in them. Nutrients found in walnuts can help you lose weight by supplying you with the nutrients you need. 2. Satiety and appetite control. Controlling your appetite and feeling satisfied after meals are key to successful weight loss. Fiber and protein in walnuts can help you feel fuller for longer. Weight loss is ultimately achieved by preventing overeating and unnecessary snacking. 3. Healthy fats for weight loss. Some fats are actually good for you, contrary to popular belief. Weight loss has been linked to walnuts' omega-3 fatty acids, which are healthy fats. Boosting metabolism, reducing inflammation, and improving heart health are all benefits of these fats, which contribute to successful weight loss. 4. Boost metabolism. Walnuts contain ellagic acid, a compound that boosts metabolism. Weight loss occurs when your body burns calories more efficiently. A walnut-rich diet can boost your metabolism naturally and help you lose weight. 5. Hormonal balance. Weight loss efforts can often be hindered by hormonal imbalances in women. Walnuts contain phytoestrogens, which mimic estrogen's effects in the body. Women can lose weight by regulating hormone levels in this way. 6. Heart health benefits. Weight loss and overall well-being depend on maintaining a healthy heart. Omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants in walnuts can improve cardiovascular health and reduce heart disease risk. Weight loss can be achieved while supporting your heart health with walnuts. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to receive important notifications, as well as likes and comments, which will help my videos grow. 7. Versatile and easy to incorporate. Walnuts have the advantage of being versatile. Snack on them, add them to salads, oatmeal, and smoothies, or top yogurt and desserts with them. Weight loss success can be achieved with walnuts thanks to their many delicious uses. Walnuts are the perfect superfood for women looking to lose weight. Nutrient-rich and high in healthy fats, walnuts help control appetite, regulate hormones, and boost metabolism. Start your weight loss journey with a handful of walnuts.